Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Moorgate, Florida. And what did we do today? Well, let's go see. Oh, before we get started, that is our telephone number if you have questions. Again, if you need anything, hit like and subscribe. So come on over here. What do we have? Well, we got this great looking Ford Platinum over here, F-150. And what did we do? Well, let's take a look. We did the Putco light. Now, what's nice about this light, this is going to do a lot of cool things. First of all, it's going to make your truck look better. Second, it's going to make your truck safer. That's right. If people see you, there's less chance of being rear-ended. So Joel, hey, go ahead and turn it on. Let's look at some different lights here. So there is your regular lights. Now when you turn your lights on, this will come on. Go ahead and put your left blinker on. You guys, you can see you got a nice yellow blinker. I know some of the ones have a red, but this yellow one looks really good. As you can see, it is synchronized with the factory on here as well. Also, if you notice on this one, we're not clogging up any of your stuff here, so you can still use your 4-way or 7-way because it's all wired up underneath there, which is a lot better. I know some of the cheaper ones you plug it in there. This one you don't do that, which is really good. So go ahead, Joel, go in reverse to show that white light. And again, look how bright it is. When you're reversing, you don't have a lot of light behind you, and this is going to do a good job because the ones that come in the factory are not going to be very bright. Between this and the factory lights, you can see a lot better, especially when you're in a dark area. You want to make sure you don't back up into anything. Again, this is good for you. It's good for your vehicle. It looks good, but most important, it has a good function. Again, and Putco is a great brand. They have a longer warranty. I believe this one's a 3-year warranty, which is a long warranty for LED lights. Most lights don't have a 3-year warranty. They have a 3-month warranty. Now, what's nice about this, if you notice, it looks like a blade because there's so many LEDs in there. I know the cheaper ones, you can see the little dots because they use a lot less LEDs, not on the Putco. This is a lot brighter, it's gonna look better at night, and it's a lot safer. Go ahead and hit the left and right blinker. Hit your brakes again. There you go. This looks great. Again, if you like this, we can install it for you. This one is a little bit more work than the standard one. It's not just a plug and play. Bud, who did the install on this, will tell you it takes a little bit of time. As you know, we do a lot of these all the time, so it's something we can do for you. Also, if you want to buy this and we'll ship it anywhere in the country, if you have questions, we can walk you through the installation. Unlike other businesses, we do installations. We know what's involved in this. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Putco Blade on a Ford Platinum F-150. Thank you.